Hello, I'm Michael Clement Bassi and I'm here to take you on literature in English, okay? So today we'll be looking at a lesson I just titled Figures of Speech. So essentially I'll be teaching you 4 figures of speech and I hope you have your writing materials so that you can take notes on a few things, okay? So we'll be having 4, just 4, but let's first of all define figures of speech. I like to define figures of speech as those elements in literature that make your writing come alive, okay? Now if you have a write-up without figures of speech, most times it's dull, it's bland, okay, it's just there. But once you bring in a few figures of speech, it comes alive, and people want to read, and people say, wow, he's a good writer, okay? So that is why literary artists always employ figures of speech whenever they write, because it's always a way to make your writing captivating, all right? So let's look at a few figures of speech, just 4. So we're looking at simile, metaphor, personification, and apostrophe. Take note. Simile, metaphor, personification, and apostrophe. So I'll spell simile, S-I-M-I-L-E. You have that? S-I-M-I-L-E. Alright? So we also have metaphor, okay, M-E-T-A-P-H-O-R, okay? Metaphor, M-E-T-A-P-H-O-R, metaphor. Now for personification, you write person, okay? So person, then P-E, okay, let me spell P-E-R-S-O-N-I-F I-C-A-T-I-O-N, okay, personification, all right? P-E-R, okay, we have this. So we have personification, and then we have, okay, the spelling, apostrophe. Take note of the spelling, apostrophe, all right? Apostrophe, just the same, punctuation mark, but the same spelling. All right, so what is a simile? A simile is a figure of speech that uses as a like to compare two things, okay? So he runs like a cheetah. He runs like a cheetah. Well, let me use another animal. He runs like a jaguar. He runs like a jaguar, all right? He runs like a jaguar. Now you see, we're comparing he. Let's say he is David, or let's say Michael. Michael runs like a jaguar. Michael is compared to a jaguar using like. He runs like a jaguar. That's a good example of a simile, okay? So you can create as many examples as you like. You can use yourself and create an example and say, okay, you can say, if your name is MM, you can say, MM sings like a bird, okay? You can say your friend, if you have a friend who talks too much, you can say Idorian talks like a parrot, all right? So you don't just use, once you use like or as, that's a simile. Now let's move over to metaphor. What is a metaphor? A metaphor is a figure of speech that compares two entities, two persons, animals, whatever, okay, two entities without the use of as or like. Just take note, without the use of as or like. So we say Michael is a jaguar. Michael is a jaguar. Remember simile, we said Michael runs like a jaguar. But now we just directly relate Michael to a jaguar. Michael is a jaguar. So that's a metaphor. When you directly compare two entities, that's a metaphor. So you can say, for instance, I sing, or I am a bird, for instance, because of how you sing, or Dorian is a parrot. Okay, if someone fights a lot like a cat, you say she's a cat. Instead of saying she fights like a cat. That's now metaphor. Let's go over to personification. Personification. What is personification? This is a figure of speech, okay, that attributes human characters, or that ascribes human characters on, or human attributes on non-living things, okay? So when you say something like, you say that the sun is biting. The sun is biting. Now we know that the sun is inanimate. It cannot bite. So when you say the sun is biting, that means you are ascribing human attributes, because only humans or animals can bite, okay? So you now ascribe those on an inanimate being, which is a sun, okay? When they say the month is pregnant, for instance, the month is pregnant. The month? How can the month be pregnant? Normally women are supposed to be pregnant. So that's a figure of speech to say that it's about time you got the salaries, all right? So those are examples of personification, okay? So whenever you say, for instance, you say, the sky is crying. That's not a good example. Okay, the sky is crying, that is raining. Instead of saying it's raining, okay? All right, so the sky is crying, all right? That's to say that it's raining. The sky cannot cry, only human beings can cry. Now that's personification. Let's go over to apostrophe. Apostrophe is now when you address non-living things as if they are living. You address inanimate things, non-living things, or absent people as if they are present. Okay? So if you say, for instance, Oh, COVID-19, when will you go away? That's a good example of an apostrophe. Because COVID-19 can't actually heal you, okay? It's a virus. It's just doing its thing. Well, hopefully it will go anyway. But when you say things like that, oh, COVID-19, oh, coronavirus, when will I go? Or you say, oh, my face mask, where are you? Where are you? Where's face mask, where are you hiding? You're addressing a face mask, for goodness sake, but that's an example of an apostrophe, okay? Now I'd like you to take note. I like to take note. I want to ask you an assignment. I want to give you an assignment. I want you to find out the meaning of metonymy, okay? And give you the example, and synecdoche. Those two, metonymy and synecdoche. So that when we come next, I'll be reviewing your answers. My name is Michael Kanantasi again. I hope you learned something. Till I come your way again. Bye-bye.